All right, fourth section. Now, most of the time, these videos are going to be broken up into maybe 3 or 4 total sections. This one has a little bit more because it's kind of our introduction review section, right? It's stuff that we've already learned, but we're going back and trying to remember all those things that we learned in the past. So, real life applications. Example number 5 in your book says, in the United States, a survey of 2,184 adults ages 18 and over found that 1,328 of them have at least one pet. The types of pets these adults have are shown in the figure. What is the probability that a pet-owning adult chosen at random has a dog? So one of the things, when I taught 7th grade, one of the things that I made them do right now is put what should go on top and what should go on bottom before they even look at the diagram. When it says, what is the probability that a pet-owning adult has a dog? So we are looking for the probability that, that's not how I want to write that. The probability that a pet owner has a dog. We're not looking for the probability of a pet owner. We already know that it's a pet owner. So on the bottom is going to be my total number of pet owners. On the top is going to be the number that have a dog. That's what's going to go on top. So when I look at this diagram, first of all, how many total adults have pets? And I think it actually told me in the problem, right? There's 1,000. Okay, so there's 1,328 people from the survey have a pet. Of those people, how many of them have a dog? So if I look at the list, at the diagram, dog is right here. So 916 people out of 1,328 pet owners have a dog. Now that's a different question. If it had said, what's the probability that one of the adults had a dog, then we would consider all of the adults, but it doesn't. It wants us to only look at the pet owners. And that's why the pet owners went on the bottom instead of all of the adults, all right? What is the probability that a pet-owning adult owns a fish? So same thing, I'm only looking at the pet-owning adults, so they go on the bottom, but on top is the number of fish owners, which is 146. That's how many out of 1,328 own a fish. Which makes sense. I feel like fish maybe those are more pets for little kids. I don't know. That's way lower than the dog, though. There were 900 dog owners and only 146 fish owners. I don't know. Maybe fish aren't as fun, but they're also not as messy. So my vote is a fish. Okay, homework 5.1. Go ahead and do 17 through 18. Do 26A, 27A and B, and 31. If you want to watch the last video before you do the homework, go ahead, or stop where you are right now while it's fresh and go look at the information to solve those story problems.